How to turn on data saver feature on TikTok. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on the data saver so you can save your data. First thing we do, we go to TikTok. As you can see, now you have to now you have to go to your profile right here and then click on those three lines right here, choose settings and go down, search for data saver, and here is it. Click on it like this and turn it on from here, or turn it off if you don't want it. That's it for today's video guys. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe.